Hello everyone. Every day begins with trust. You trust they'll be exactly where they're supposed to be. And sometimes, it only takes a few seconds to lose sight of them. School, playgrounds, travel, family outings. You can't be everywhere at once. The truth is, no parent wants to imagine losing track of their child. But every parent wants to be prepared. Introducing the tag8 Dolphin Watch Tracker Rex Android, a comfortable everyday wristband with the power of Android Find My Device. Setup takes just minutes. Insert the Dolphin Rex tracker, pair it with Android Find My Device, and you're ready. Need to know where it was last detected? View its location directly on a map. Get directions and find it faster. And when it's nearby, simply make it ring. Protection they'll need. Colors they'll love. Choose from 7 vibrant options and make safety a part of their everyday style. Peace of mind isn't about expecting the worst. It's about being prepared when life gets unpredictable. tag8 Dolphin Watch Tracker Rex Android. Comfort they can wear. Confidence you can carry.